Hello, I'm Harish. Welcome to the channel. In this channel, we talk about building anything without coding. You can check all our videos that I've produced previously, and I'm back this year again with a lot of tools that are more than help you create automated AI bots, websites, landing pages, e-commerce stores. And today's example is an app called takeapp that lets you create e-commerce stores in WhatsApp and have you sorted with your communications with your customer. Let's get quickly started and see how to build your own store in takeapp. Okay, the first step is to go to take.app. That's the website that we go to. Click on start for free. They have a free plan that is generous enough. You can create unlimited WhatsApp orders, have unlimited customers. There are some features that you won't get, but to be able to start a basic store, you should be able to do it with the free plan. Otherwise, the pro plans and they also have a discount running currently. This is not an affiliate video. I'm just sharing a tool that I found. So check this out if you're interested. Let's see how to build a store. Yeah, I'm going to create a coffee store. First step is to click login. You can authenticate with your Google. I've already done that. I'm going to name this coffee cafe. I'm going to give my phone number, of course, redacted. You can also enter your phone number, whichever phone number you have. You also have an option to give a store link. This will be the link that you will share with your customers in WhatsApp, on your Instagram, wherever you're promoting your store. Click on create store, phone number. Okay, let's see. Let's enter a proper number. Okay, create. Now, what this does is it sets you up with a wizard that you can use to start setting up your store. Like I said, you can also get a custom domain by paying them directly, and your store is auto linked and all of that. If you don't want to do that, you get a free link, right? So, I'm going to skip this step. Next is products. You can enter new products here, or you can enter products later. Also, I'll show you how to customize that. But let's enter some products that I've already generated AI images for. Let's have the first one as house espresso. I'm going to say 200 and I'm going to quickly add the image for this. And the image will be, oh, I added the wrong image. Let's add this one. House. All right. This is the wrong image. Yes, this is the right image, right? And multiple, you can add multiple images like you saw. Then I'm going to add another product called Cafe Latte, or let's do Americano, and I will charge 175. This is all in INR. You can customize it based on whichever country you are creating this in. They have support for multiple countries, so don't worry about that. I'm going to click continue. We added basic products. I click continue. Then the next step is you set up how you will do the delivery, pickup, and dine-in options. You can enable all of them. Some are paid again, right? I'm going to enable all three of them. Delivery fee, I'm going to say 50 rupees delivery fee and free delivery with a minimum purchase of 1500, right? You can also do this. You can also disable all of this. You don't have to do this. Okay, I click continue. Then you get some of these three options where you can enable payments for your customers. I'm going to enable UPI. I'm going to say you can enter your UPI ID here and enter your actual ID so that you can get your customers to pay to your UPI directly. You can enable PayPal, you can enable bank transfer, you can also enable cash on delivery. I'm going to click continue. There are some options that I'm going to show that require a premium plan. Like I said, WhatsApp account. If you want to use your own WhatsApp account, you will need to upgrade and connect your WhatsApp account. But if you don't need it, you can skip it. Right? These are the premium plans that are available. If you want a custom domain to your store called coffee.store or coffee cafe dot store or anything like that, you'll have to pay and get the premium plan. If you want a business plan, more features where you have automated WhatsApp notifications, where you can remove the take app branding, where you can enable loyalty and rewards for your customers, or enable payment recovery through WhatsApp, and also invite your additional staff members to be able to manage your online store. These are all available in the business plan, right? You don't have to upgrade it for a free plan. I would recommend try the store out, create your store, see how it looks, and then I would recommend you go ahead and purchase. And the best option is if you can scale up your business, then purchasing a business plan or a premium plan is ideal. Let's click continue and see what are the next options. That's it. Our store is ready. This is the link to our store. I'm going to quickly do Control Command T and open it in a new tab. This is a store with the products available. That's all it takes to actually launch your store today. Of course, there are customizations that you can do that I will now walk you through, but we have the products available here. I can change the quantity. I can add it to cart. then go to my cart here, or there is a cart is showing up here as well on the footer. I can click on the cart, move myself here, and then I can check out, right? We added the delivery fee as well, right? There's a flat fee of 50, right? So it's already, I can place an order and pay. That's it. That's all. Our store is fully functional. You can capture the name and the WhatsApp number of the customer, or if they want to dine in, they can select dine in and also place an order. I'm going to click home and go back and show you how to now customize this to an extent where you can add multiple sizes for your products, or add multiple images and multiple other options. I can show you quickly. Go to setup wizard, right? This is where now you can set up multiple other options. Like I said, so there are some premium options. One is of course sending WhatsApp updates. If you want to enable it, you can enable it. Otherwise, you will have to do it manually. Now save, click and continue. Same. If you want to send reminders to your customers, then upgrade, right? These are all the features that are available for additional fee on the platform. And if you want customers to leave you reviews on Google Map, or a specific link where your store is listed, you can also enable that for a premium plan. I'm going to disable all of this since we're talking about building this for free and testing it out. Then we will upgrade, right? So I'm going to click save and continue, which is start the conversation manually automatically for the users, and immediately at checkout you will have to collect the payments, right? Otherwise, if you want to collect payments manually, you can also do that. And I'm going to click save and continue, and that should be it almost, right? Like I said, loyalty and rewards is paid feature. I am going to finish this wizard quickly. And if you have taxes that you need to add, you can also add this right here. 5% is an example that I'm adding. You can also enable and disable if the tax is included or not included, and then save and continue. Last option is add service charge. If you want to add service charge, you can add it. Otherwise, I'm going to say no for this example. That's it. Our store is now open, ready to go. Now let's quickly customize the design of the website, right? On the left, I'm going to click on storefront. This is where you can customize what all options you need to show. Let's feature up to 4. You can also add additional cards and show an image, or your store image, or a countdown if you have a campaign going. You can also add your physical location of the store if you have a physical location. If you can add your link tree or social accounts using the link here. And then checkout is where you can customize the checkout experience. If you want to collect email, you can also enable email. These are all the options that you can add. Discounts, tip, if you want to collect tip from the customers, you can enable here. Make sure you click save every time you change these options. And then appearance is where you can upload a banner image, right? This is where the banner image shows. I'm going to upload a banner image that I of course created with AI. I have a quick tagline for the store that I created again with AI. I'm going to add it here. If you want it to be bold, all you have to do is add stars before and after. You can also add multiple other details here if you want customers to join your specific community on Telegram, WhatsApp, wherever it is. You can add the link here. If you want to show a pop-up asking users to subscribe to your newsletter or things like that, you can also do that right here. I'm going to move myself down here so that it's aligned, right? That's it. Now if I click save, it should update our store with our new banner image. Let's actually quickly see how the store looks like now. All right, let's go. Awesome. Let's refresh this and see. Okay, this is our store image that we just uploaded with all of our products. These are our products available. How do we customize the products? Let's see. Okay, we came back to the products page. This is not the one. Okay, we came back here. Now on the left, you can see products, all products. Here, you can customize, enable products, disable products, mark some of them as sold out if they're sold out. I'm going to show you how to add variants here. Right, I'm going to click on House of Espresso. Here, you can actually add multiple variants for this, and also add details about how this coffee tastes like. Right. Okay. Variants is if you have, let's say, small, medium, large as the cup size the customer can get, you can quickly add it here. Right. So I'm going to say this variant is small. I want to charge the same price, 200 for this. And then if you want to show it like a discount, you can also add a original price, which is higher than the actual price that you're selling this at. You can add an SKU if you want better tracking. You can add multiple variants, right? I can do medium, right? And medium I will sell for 275. Then I will add another one called large that I will sell for 350, right? These are my variants that I have added. I will save this. Now when I go to my product, right, or the store itself, let's see how this looks like. If I refresh this, I think we added this to Okay, we added it to house espresso. Yes, I can see different options that are available. I can change the quantity. It works. Everything works. Amazing. Now, if you go to cart, you can see we added it previously. Now we added large option as part of the cart. That's all. That's all it takes for you to today create a store online and start selling online and collect money from your users. One last thing that I want to show before I end this video is if you go back here, checkout is where, okay, we go to settings here and then payments. This is where when you upgrade to a premium or a business plan, you can add Razor Pay India if you're from India creating the store, or ADN if you want to collect payments through ADN. By default, these are the free options that are available. You can also enable all of these options depending on how you want to collect payments, right? And delivery, you can also add multiple delivery options here. You can click into delivery and say what is available as part of delivery, what is the minimum order value required for a delivery, and all this information shows to the user when they're placing an order, right? And then, of course, this is where you upgrade by going to billing. You upgrade your users or your store essentially on takeapp. That's a quick demo of takeapp. Hope you like this video. If you did, drop a like and also comment if you're going to use this, or if you have any ideas, or if you have any questions about how you can build anything without coding. That's it. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.